Unfortunately, we have a government that doesn't care about the people. They don't care. Um, and do you know something that's very funny about this government is that um, impunity has become their second identity. They care less about. That's why the question I ask, what has Nigeria done? Because you can't tell me what you are doing now is what to make Nigeria feel good or feel better. No, it's not going to, because Nigerians know that it's not going to feel them better. Now, a member of the National Assembly rose up to raise an observation about having a gazetted tax reform act, and the other one that they put together, that
the one they vetted,
the one they approved, and another one that is a slap on Nigeria. In a country where things are really working, we're supposed to chase the member of the National Assembly out of that chambers until they do the needful. But I don't blame these people. They know the psychology of Nigerians, that Nigerians never raised a finger. Ask Nigerians to come out for protest today. The moment they come one day, the following day will not come. You see them, they prefer to go back to where they are selling things. There are things that can't give them 1,000 in a day. And they are suffering in silence. This is Nigerian for you. And these people understand our psyche and psychology, so they plug in on it. President Tinubu knows it. He's been in the game for quite a long time. Do it, nothing is going to happen. Nigerians, 2 days, they will forget. That is the problem. Nigerians are the problems, not these people. Ordinarily, we are supposed to lock down the National Assembly. You don't need to carry arms. Nothing can stop the voices of millions calling for change. Nothing! No government can stop it. They will get away with it too. When Nigeria will now begin to talk, it's when they begin to see the illegality in it being perpetrated, affecting them. They are not talking now. Now they can now arrest you, they can now they can seize your money in the bank, they can do anything, they can just do anything they like with these things. People are not, they don't care right now. Until when it begins to now, and it would have been too late. So, I think the government, if they truly love the country, ordinarily, a responsible president would have removed that thing. Put it out immediately. That's what a responsible president should have done. But because they have their agenda, they have what they want to achieve with it. And upon all of this, the money is not going to be used for anything. As a government, you are directed your Attorney General, another illegality, to go to Supreme Court on local government funding. 2 years or over almost a year now, nothing has been done about it. What a president can tell us is that I'm going to use executive order to do that. Yes, why didn't he have the courage to tell Nigerians that I'm just giving you governor this opportunity so that I can have money to spend in the next election for me? That is what they're doing. He dares not enforce that thing. The governors will go against him. He knows. It's not as President Tinubu does not know what to do. But he wants a second term, so everything should go. So the governors need money, they need money to return him. That is what is happening. This is not allegation, this is what is happening. Guess what is happening? I tell you, Nigeria is in for a long ride, and 2027 provides an opportunity for us to change this thing. I'm talking to Nigerians now, because these people will not change it. Because they have their own game plan. And it is only Nigerians that can let them achieve it. Somebody will ask me, where are the Nigerians? And it's a very valid question. Where are the Nigerians? It pains me to the marrow that as of today in this country, where we are today, I still have people calling me, asking me to give them as low as 2,000 naira. Oga, it's sad. Someone called me from my village and said, just send me 3,000. I said, what for? He said, so that my children can eat and go to school tomorrow. That is this deplorable situation Nigerians, and these people don't give they don't care about it. They don't care about it. And I said, Egmo, 3,000. We'll just eat today, so about tomorrow. And I did what I could do in my part. I don't have much to do. That time he was calling me. If I tell you what I had, you won't believe it. But I had to share it. This is not happening to me alone. It's happening to you. It's happening to many of us, that many people, and somebody that will call you, you are his last hope. They don't care. Look at the lavish lifestyle they are living with their children. They care less. We can't continue like this. I don't know when Nigerians are going to get fed up and fight for their future.